Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into managing team task assignments in Todoist, your complete guide for 2025. First up, you need to create a team project. Click on the plus project button on the left panel, name your project, and set the color and privacy. Now that we've done that, invite your team members by clicking on the share button in the upper right corner. The reason we do this is to consolidate all tasks related to a particular project into one place and ensure that everyone who needs to be in the loop is there. Next up, you're going to assign tasks. To create a new task, click on Add Task at the bottom of your project. Then, click on the Assign button and choose a team member from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it allows everyone to see who's responsible for what, reducing confusion and overlapping work. Now, let's set due dates for our tasks. Click on the Schedule button next to the task and select a due date from the calendar. You can also set recurring due dates by typing phrases like every Friday into the due date field. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone knows when their tasks are due, keeping the project on track and preventing last-minute scrambles. Now, you might be wondering what's happening behind the scenes when these tasks are assigned and scheduled. Todoist is automatically sending notifications to your team members about their new tasks and due dates, helping to keep everyone on the same page without you having to do it manually. Lastly, monitor your team's progress. Click on the project name in the left panel to see all the tasks and their status. You can also use the Activity feature to see what changes have been made recently. Let me explain why this matters. As a team leader, you need visibility into your team's work so you can address any issues that come up and ensure the project is moving forward as planned. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage team task assignments in Todoist. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and visible, which Todoist makes easy with its intuitive features. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.